Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Wednesday, February 5th. So, ACET Bio just announced fast track designation, and what I wanted to show you guys is if you go into Edgar, these strings are, there's some variability, but for the most part, they PR the exact same strings. Like, there's certain legal terms that they use. So, if you go back, you can pull all of the recent ones. Let's just look at the last year. All of the stocks that just recently have had this, and I'll sort in inverse chronological order here so we can go backwards. All right, so the last one actually kind of looks like should be more than that, but so let's just look at CADL. Now that released on February 13th of last year. So it approximately released right here, right before this big move. That would be pretty incredible. So, and if we want to go back and look at the chart from the time frame that released the fast track designation, we can go back here and we're looking for February 13th-ish. So here's the 14th. Let's grab the 11th. So you can see last year, right when it released fast track designation, actually we show on the chart that it released before that. So did it release twice? I don't. Let's check. They must have received 2 fast track designations, one a little bit more than a year ago. So let's just look at it this way. Let's see if we can see here. Yep, they did. They released 2. So they released one here, and you can see the price move from, it looks like 90 cents to, I don't know, what, like $1.50. And then they released another one here in February, and that, after that one is the move that happened. So they released one here in February. They did an offering, it looks like, close to $2. So on those 2 fast tracks, it went from like 80 cents to $2. And then after that in April is when it really shot up. But so what you can do is you can basically check and you can go through and figure out what each individual news event like this actually does for the stock by looking at the previous ones that have done that. So let's look at so we've got ACET here. Let's look at this last one. Actually, I'm going to ignore that because it's an ADR. It makes things more complicated. Let's look at ABCL in August. All right, so this was in August. So the fast track was somewhere right in here. Looks like it was like a 220, and you can see that it's kind of drifted up. It almost hit 4. So since that fast track, it's probably gone up like 80% or so. But anyways, that's a quick and easy way of how to use the event PRs that come out to try to figure out what you think the stock is going to do.